Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the Perplexity AI and how you can use it. Google might not be the future, so Perplexity AI could replace the way we search forever. And in this video, I'll show you how Perplexity works, how to use it, and how to fix common problems step by step. So what is Perplexity AI? So it's like ChatGPT plus Google. It gives you answer with sources and can summarize entire articles or the latest news instantly. So here I've already opened the web, perplexity.ai, and you can also install the app on iOS or an Android. And in here, how you can use Perplexity AI, you can log in or sign in with Google account, or you can also use it just as it is. So for example, I'm going to ask it the best budget laptops in 2025. You can just hit on send in here and Perplexity will give you the answer. You can also ask it to, for example, summarize a research paper in bullet points. You can also use the focus mode for academic, YouTube, and Wolfram Alpha. As you guys can see in here, it will give you the answer and also the sources as along with the images in here. And then there's also follow-up questions if you want to, and also related threads. And for common problems, if the search feels wrong, you can refresh the questions. And if the results don't load, you can check internet or switch to web versions. And if you got missing sources, you can click on focus to target specific databases. And for the best use cases, you can use it for daily productivity, for summarizing recipes and planning, and also for research and education. You can use it for academic papers, new fact checking, and also for content creation. You can ask them to make quick drafts and topic outlines. So that's why Perplexity AI is the future of search. Once you try it, you'll never Google it the same way again. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!